Cedar Valley gonna lead, set speed. Pretty like money. What's that? No, sir.
Michael Super Awesome Channel. Take it.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So you know what they do, you know. So just do the do know. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all. So that when we drop a video, you same one, are going to be the first to be notified. Yes, you see what I'm talking. I'm going to be the first to be notified. Ads are placed on the video, so I beg you, please watch them out to me. Saying viewers, thanks for doing so. Bless up. We are in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas. Continuation of the asphalting in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas, part 3. Asphalting continue. As you look now, you see the paver. That's the paver, but this paver is much smaller than the previous one and the one I used first. Something wrong with it, so then put it aside and have a draw for the small one. So the small one I go make the work kind of complicated, but through Whitehead experience, him I go get around it. So continue watch the video and so him get around it. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers? When last you visit Cedar Valley, this is the 2023 brand new Cedar Valley. Take a look, asphalt truck are rolling with asphalt. Viewers are not joking, I want a valley, you know. Valley have the center of the attraction now. The district where nobody never want to go. Nobody now go up there because the hill and it bad and it this and it all manner of evil. Now Cedar Valley is the center of the attraction now. As Cedar Valley last I get tarring, you know. And now Cedar Valley come with the center of it. When everywhere tar already, Cedar Valley not get not even a bit yet. You know, remember that, viewers and subscribers. A long time we are going to video about Cedar Valley, you know. And I wonder when Cedar Valley will get them first asphalt, you know. And now we Cedar Valley, I say this is part 3. Asphalting continue in Cedar Valley non-stop. Viewers and subscribers, this is the brand new 2023 Cedar Valley. If you're proud of Cedar Valley and the progress, it's that thumbs up, viewers and subscribers. Continue watch the video. A lot more for you to see. As you see, one side is already asphalt from the other day. Just a little bit them did having one truck and just try out some like asphalt thing. You get what I say? Because the machine there give problems. So as you can see, the side where I look on. Alright, notice how them aisle road now. You see the side to the sidewalk. If you notice, they have a little side piece over there, so and in the middle. Because the paver cannot spread right across. So if you do one little piece in the corner, then the paver do in the middle. Because as I told you already, the paver, what them I use now, I want a small one. It's not as broad as the one that I used before. That's why them aisle road are with. So I do the corner part first, and then them doing at the middle. Hope you understand, you know, viewers. Because when we are doing a video, you know, we like to understand. When you watch a video, it's like when it's here. All you know, they are 1,000 miles, a million miles. No matter when you're in the world, it's like when it's here. So we like going into details, we have the full understanding what's going on. They get to me, viewers and subscribers. So that's why I continue watch the video, you know. Because a lot more for you to see the truck them line up there. See the truck them line up there for the brand new Cedar Valley 2023. Continue watch the video. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, as I see, me tell about the little corner piece that I want them to do first, because the paver cannot spread right across because it's a smaller paver them I use. Okay, so them I do that little corner piece at first, then the paver go take the middle. Just open to understand, because you know a Whitehead team this, you know. So you know, say nothing about a Whitehead, nothing can't do hard where Whitehead can't go on, you know. So just big up the whole entire team of the on the ground, you know. Winston, Shabba, Pinchers, everybody, you know, big up on yourself, you know. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man. So I just see the man in my line up. See the board they them put to cut the edge. So when the paver going in the middle, everything will go alright. You see the edge it are cut neat. Viewers don't even really see what I want. Whitehead and in team, man. Me I tell you, say, if Whitehead for him continue to do them work as far as me see, what me tell you, say, I'm going to be the #1 asphalt man in Jamaica. whiter than in team. So continue watch the video a lot more for you people to see no viewers and subscribers. As I say, see them do the corner piece, the middle part don't start yet. And then I pave out take the middle part. So bless up to each and everyone. Continue watch the video. Manners. Viewers and subscribers, as all can see, they go the small presser, I roll the side and I roll the corner piece. So as soon as I finish roll the corner piece, then you know them will deal with the middle piece, which is a big pave. The paver now will take the middle piece. You get what I say, viewers? Which is no less, not more, no less, viewers, me I tell you. Well done. Cedar Valley, brand new Cedar Valley. I remember this asphalting is taking place at Village Gate. The first Village Gate coming from Trinityville side. Okay? Yes, sir. So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, now is the time for the paver to do its work. So as you can see, the truck will line up. I will pour out the material in the paver so the paver can continue to do its work. And remember, at the middle part I'm doing because the edge, the corner already do already. So as me done shown, okay viewers? So just hope you understand the full video as you now watch it go on, you know. You understand everything what go on. You get what I say, viewers? Because that me like you don't understand. And remember, keep the comment section active. Okay, speak your mind there. So as I see my line up the paver now, as I say, I have a small paver this, it cannot spread go right across. You know white head, so you know if you're doing things. Manners, continue watch the video. Bless you. So the Stewart viewers, steam come off of the asphalt, you know. So you know, say live here get it a roll out. Yeah, live video you catch a roll out. See it's steam a come off it. So here we go. This is the time now for the paver to do its work. See it now, viewers? On his way, doing his work. As we tell you already, the corner already do. So is the middle, him a do and finish and continue, move on, further on. Continue watch this video, viewers. I tell you a lot of her. If you notice the video kind of long still, you know. So you know when the video kind of long, you know what you're doing. Just grab a little snacks and your water. Sit down and enjoy. You get what I say? Bless up. So viewers, when you see the beauty of it already, take a look at the thing no man already, man. So viewers and subscribers, if you don't know, that is Mr. Whitey the brother. On your right, again instruction. Yes, that's the man that run the team. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah man, that's the man with the brain, with the dream. Yes, viewers and subscribers, remember, this is part 3. So look out for part 4. Cause non-stop asphalting in Cedar Valley, They say Cedar Valley is a brand new place, viewers. I remember me giving you about Cedar Valley from day 1, viewers and subscribers. See me I get the asphalt from Eta come off of it, and now me I feature Cedar Valley, viewers. And now Cedar Valley become the spotlight, viewers and subscribers. Continue watch the video. A lot more for you to see the brand new Cedar Valley. So viewers, take a look at the brand new face off of Village Gate now. I think you see nothing yet. You just take a look at the brand new face off of Village Gate in St. Thomas, Cedar Valley. You don't see nothing yet, viewers. Continue watch the video. The asphalt in stop in Cedar Valley. Straight non-stop asphalting, viewers and subscribers. The redevelopment of St. Thomas continue. So viewers, as you all can see, the asphalting is heading down to Big Store now in Cedar Valley. Okay, viewers and subscribers, that's where the asphalting is heading now. And from this, it will go head to the primary school. It will go head to, so just continue watch the video. Viewers and subscribers, Cedar Valley time to shine. Are you from Cedar Valley? Are you the one did forgotten Cedar Valley or forbidden Cedar Valley? When last you visit Cedar Valley? Come on, let us reason now, viewers and subscribers. Do you have any land in Cedar Valley? Are you plan to sell it? Well, if you never did sell it, if you ever sell it now, if it did value 100,000 them time, then now it value $1 million. If you never have no land in Cedar Valley and you plan to buy a piece in Cedar Valley, if you did plan to buy it for 100,000, now you have to plan to buy it for $1 million. Cedar Valley rise to the occasion. If you tell your viewers and subscribers, St. Thomas time to shine. Take a look at this paving. Take a look at the beauty that lie down in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas. Viewers and subscribers, take a look at the asphalt where you see coming off. It's steamy. Wow, steamy. So you know, so we are giving it to you live, viewers and subscribers. Natural Cedar Valley. And if you tell about it, so viewers, as you all can see, the asphalting reached so far a big stone in Cedar Valley. You can see that is one leg they're moving with so far, and then I'm going to take the next leg, okay? So you see it? I mean, you're surprised about, you're pleased about the road, sir? Shaken, you know, dumb?
Yes, sir.
That means saying how it look to you. How it look to you? Talk to me about the road now, sir. Look wonderful. Okay. That's what I say, sir. So what you say, you pleased of the road?
Yeah, man, pleased of the road.
Yeah, give thanks to that now. And how long now you really are wait for us to see a thing like this up in Cedar Valley?
Yeah, man, please.
Yes. So you please our one.
Please our go on, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, bless up the eye.
Cheers.
Natural. So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, them can one side got a big stone, now them come at the next side I go down there. You get what I say? So when them finish this, that means that the both side I go finish go to big stone in Cedar Valley. As you all can see, from village gate to big stone, that will be the complete work for the day, and then you know them are going to continue. So this is part 3, so look out for the continuation in part 4. Okay, viewers and subscribers, family sub, so we say if everybody up, just press the thumbs up, man, and show me sound up, man. So this is a brand new face off of village gate. Take a look at it, so the traffic them are flow smooth now, viewers and subscribers, a brand new Cedar Valley. So it go back to say, when last you visit Cedar Valley, are you from Cedar Valley? Do you know anybody in Cedar Valley? Well, it's Cedar Valley time to shine. And if you don't been to Cedar Valley for a long period of time, I guess you need to take a visit now and see what it's like in real life. You get what I say, viewers? Cedar Valley is a brand new place, brand new district, brand new community, whatever you want to call it. You understand, my viewers and subscribers, family subs, you all can see. So it's an order to come to the end of another video, you know. So bless up to each and everyone that playing their part, that supporting the channel for growing from strength to strength. If you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. Welcome to the family. If you leave a like, bless up, man. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me. And if you leave a comment, also it means a lot to me. Get active in the comment section. That's where you speak your mind. Okay, viewers, you watch all the ads to me. Yeah, man, blessed, man. Thanks for doing so. Because you know it give you a little money can buy petrol to go on and bring the video them forward to you. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers? So thank you very much for doing those things. So as I said, now that to come to the end of another video, bless up to each and everyone. See you people in the next video, you know. I'm out. Safe travel upon the gravel. I'm out. Continue watch the video. Same way.